Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disallow Google Chrome to save password in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Google Chrome. Now click on three dots. Present settings. Now go to Google Password Manager. Then present settings. Here you can see offer to save password. If you want to disallow your Google Chrome to save your passwords, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to disallow Google Chrome to save your password. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.